Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, students, today I will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, addition. Okay, so what is addition? In simple terms, we can say collecting something. Okay, so when we collect something, the total is called what? Addition. Okay, so now we'll see some example of addition. So my dear students, here you can see some strawberries are given. Okay, and here you have to collect these strawberries, or I can say here you have to add these strawberries. Okay, so after adding these strawberries, how many strawberries we will get? Okay, so see here, one strawberry is there, this one is second, and this one is third. So 1 1 1. So how many strawberries are there? 3 strawberries. So which one will be the correct answer? This one will be the correct answer. Very good. So now see the next one. Here some lemons are given, right? So here also we'll count these lemons. So how many lemons are there? 3. Very good. One more we will do. So here you can see bananas are given, right? So can you tell me how many bananas are there? 2. Very good. Okay. So this one you will tell me how many strawberries are there. Okay. You just count these strawberries. Okay. And you just tell me how many strawberries you will get here. Okay. Okay, so now let me discuss how we can add any two number. Okay, so for example, 9 plus 3 it is given. So how will you count this one? We can count these numbers by two methods, right? First method is what? By drawing some lines, right? So how many lines we will draw? Based upon the number. So 9 is there, so here we'll draw 9 lines. So 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, right? And now here how many, what is the number? 3. So how many lines we will draw? 1 2 3. So in total how many lines are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This one is the first process, or I can say the first method of doing addition. Okay. Now let's see the next one. If suppose another number it is given 12 plus 5. Okay. So another method is what? We will count after 12. Okay. 5. Yeah, we will count after 12 and we'll count 5 numbers after 12. So this one is 12, after 12, 13 is there, then 14, then 15, 16 and then 17. We'll stop at 17. We'll count only the 5 numbers after 12 because here 5 is there, right? So here we'll got what? 17. So this number is what? The answer of this one will be 17. This one is what? The second method. Okay. Okay, now how we can add 3 numbers all together. So suppose 12 is there, 3 is there and 5 is there. Okay. So how we can count these these numbers? So first of all we'll count the ones place value. This one is ones place value, right? And this one is tens place value. So first of all we'll count the ones place value. Okay, so here first of all we'll count two numbers, we'll add two numbers. So 2 plus 3, 2 lines are there and 3 more lines, it will become what? 5, right? Now we'll add this 5 with this 5. So 5 plus 5, how much we will get? 10, right? So here you can give 0, and now where you will put 1, because we can't put 2 digit in one's place, we have to put only 1 digit. So 1 will go there. So again we'll add this one with this one, 1 plus 1, it will become what? 2. So our answer will be what? 20. Okay, remember, first of all we'll add ones place value, then tens place, and then hundred place. Okay. Okay students, now see this one, how we can add these two numbers. So any method we can use the line one, or we can use that one, the counting, right? So any one you can choose. So what will be the correct answer? Just tell me. 4 plus 8. Here what it will be? This one. Which number we have to place here? So 8 and 4. You just add these two. Yes, so it will be what? 12. So we have to put 2 there, right? And 1 it will become here, right? So 1, now it will place where? In this one, right? So after putting 1, we'll get what? The correct answer, that is 12. Okay. Now let's see this one. So ones place digit, we will add this one first, then the tens place, right? So now see, 3 lines are there, and here 7 lines. 1 2 3 4, okay, 5 6 7. Okay, so how many lines are there in total? 10 lines, right? So here 0 will place in this part, right, in this position, and 1 it will be here, right? So we'll place 0 there. Okay, so we'll put 0 there. Now as we know that 1 is here, so just add 9 plus 1, it will be what? 10. 10 plus 2, it will be 12. Now 2 we will put here, and 1 it will go in 100 place, right? So we'll now put what? 2. So now here we know that 1 is there and no number is there, so we'll put 1. Okay, like this only we have to add any number. Okay, now my dear students, see page number 160. Here check what I know, it is given. So you already know these things I already discussed. So here you have to do addition. Okay, so for your understanding, I am giving 1, 2 and 3 as your homework. Okay, you have to do this one in your book. Okay, and with pencil you have to write the answer. Okay, now you just see this one. So pictures are given, right, and we can count how many pencils are there through the pictures also and through the numbers also. Okay, so 4 is there and 5 is there. So how many pencils are there in total? Okay, if we count these all pencils, so how many pencils are there? 9, right? So you have to write 9 here. Okay, now what you will do? You will do question number 1, 2 and 3 in your book. Okay, this one is what you already know. Okay.